Hello again everyone, thanks very much for clicking on one of my videos. So this video is made up of about 3 different outings that I've been out on.
Finally, here we
with
go.
The new Hikmicro Alpex 4K that I've got. So have a look at this, let me know what you think about the footage. Initially I think it does look really good. So here we go, let's get on with the video.
Okay guys, been a bit of a wait for that one. Very quiet in these woods at the moment. Very quiet. But yep, he's down. Excellent, very good. Be nice to see what that's like. That's the first shot with the Hikmicro Alpex. Hello, Mr. Pheasant. Okay guys, and again, usual scenario, just set up. There was a squirrel right the way back where that pheasant was. Sort of over here somewhere, I noticed him. So, instantly shoved some ammo in the old magazine, Hybrid Slugs, and he duly made his way over to the tree. And that's a nice one down, straight off. Okay, see how morning goes. I've got this squirrel, and he stopped absolutely dead in his tracks for a while there. Now he's having a little forage. Hoping he'll go up to the feeder, but it probably picks him off the floor. As you can see, my zoom's playing up again. It goes straight from 3.5 to 7.5. I'm really peeved about that, but to try and sort that out when I get home with a restore, I'll do a little video about that maybe, and you'll see that before this probably. Okay, he's having a good mooch around. Just needing to pick some up and settle. If he gets him on the floor there, I'll hit the zoom like that and take him. That's not what we want, is it? He's gone behind the tree. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Thought I'd put some stuff on top of there. He's on the roof of doom. There we go. good. Oh, it's been really slow this morning. Although I'm back at the feeder where I had 6 a couple of weeks, so I'm a bit early coming back here, but I've actually been out and had a blanket, another feeder, and only shot one, but I'll stitch a few shots together from the other one and this one maybe and make a nice little short video out of it. I don't make short videos, do I? Too much chatting. Okay, that's good, guys. Sit back and wait a little bit longer. Quite a chilly morning though. I think I'll call it quits soon. But yeah. Okay. See how the day goes. Oh, I didn't half echo in these woods. Man, that was loud. Popped him good and proper. I am shooting FX Hybrid Slugs. They've got a big hollow point. They do make a wallop when they hit. They're definitely super effective. Okay, that's good. I think that squirrel was one I spooked off when I walked in the woods. There was one at the feeder or very close, and I saw it bounce up across the trees. I can hear things happening up there, so he probably sat up in the trees, watched me set me hide up, everything, checked me zero shot, all that. 20 minutes later, he's gone back for the food and met his maker. Okay. Oh, we'll see how the morning goes. Guys, I've been super surprised by one. It's literally just a minute or so after I shot that last one, and there's another one on the feeder now. God knows where he came from. Listen to this. Whoa! So he's doing the squirrel breakdowns. I say every video. It's a headshot, and it's just his nerves finishing off. And his back nerves, back legs just shooting away. Oh, that was good. That's like two in the space of a couple of minutes. I was just having a look around on the side and stuff. Looked up and thought, are my eyes deceiving me? Is that? I'd look through the, sure enough. Another one hits the deck. That's two in very quick succession. Excellent. I've got another one at the base of the feeder tree. There he is. If he's going to feed there, we'll take him right there. Oh, here we go. Again, that's a good headshot. Clear brain shot, and his back legs just keep flicking away uncontrollably and push him away over there. Okay. That's 3. Really quick today. What's the time? That's about 3 in about half an hour. Okay, it's pretty good. I deserve a coffee for that. Hopefully. See you all again in a minute, boys. Okay guys, they are rocking in now. This would be number 4 if we get this one within half an hour or so. He's having a good look around. There's a couple of colleagues of his on the floor there. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the picture-in-picture in. Because I've not shot anything with the picture-in-picture yet. Oh, look, it step zooms as well. That is excellent. I do like that. Oh, here we go. Shall I take that one? It's a little bit distracting. It kind of could do with a border going around it or something. Where's he gone? Oh, he's back at the base again. Up, and he's going back up again. Here we go. Come on. Yeah, there we go. I do like using picture-in-picture because it gives a real good field of view, and then you can just flick your eye up to the top and have a zoomed in picture. But it's a little bit distracting through this Alpex. There we go. Just paused long enough there. Look at that. Yeah, it's quite nice picture-in-picture. But it could do with maybe like a black border around it or something just to separate it, which would make it a little bit easier to look at. But I am liking that. Yeah. Okay guys, that's number 4 within half an hour or so this morning. Okay, get back to my coffee. Okay guys, let's do a pickup on this one, end of the video. There's all my usual kit. Love that little hide, just works so well. The FX Crown, now with the Alpex 4K on it. And that just all gets covered up by the hide that goes over everything when that's down. That's brilliant. I just got the tripod there, and it's just got the GoPro in it, where I did the end of session, or the intro to my video, with the Manbily ball joint and clamp on it, which is a great bit of kit if you need a ball joint and saddle clamp or whatever. Take a look at those. So let's go and do the pickup. Now the owner of the woods has taken on himself to put a load of stuff there, but it's his woods, he can do what he wants. Let's go and find these 4 squirrels. Okay, so we have got 1, 2, all the feed on the floor, another one bounced over here somewhere, there we go. Number 3, number 4 bounced his way over here somewhere. I can't see him anywhere, they do bounce away, so, oh here we go, number 4. His bounce is down in there. So that's all 4. Back at this particular feeder, lovely woods, haven for squirrels. And again, there I am about 25 yards away from it there. So guys, thanks very much if you've made it to the end of another one of my videos. Please give me some comments below and I'll answer everything I can. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber,
There's plenty more videos in the back catalogue like this. If you're interested and you want to see more videos like this, give me a subscribe perhaps. But guys, thanks very much again for watching, and hopefully see you all again soon. Cheers for now. Bye bye then.